What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my lip gloss for my business ME collection. I start off by putting Versagel into my container. I then go ahead and add some color, a pigment of my choice. And that one is Chocolate Galore. Then I add some vitamin E oil, that is to keep lips moisturized. Next step is my oil infusion, another oil that I add, and then you can see all of it looking good. I mix it together, making sure everything is combined really good, and that color is so beautiful to me. I then go ahead and start to fill up my syringe. I use the 60 milliliter size. I then cut the tip of my pipette and the bulb and insert it onto the tip of the syringe. And once you start to fill up your syringe, make sure you put just the right amount. Don't overfill it, but you should know what works best for you. Now here comes the fun part. As you're filling up your round tube, you want to go into a circle motion. It is easier and it helps the process go faster. And you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. You want to stop right before you get at the top, because when you put your suction part in and your one tube, it's going to push that gloss up and it's going to fill it right up to the top. And I'm just repeating the same steps throughout the video. Just know how much product you are using. Do it to your liking. I use more of the oil because I like my lip gloss glossy and smooth. It's just all about how you want your texture to be. Now the last step is really important. You want to get you some antibacterial soap and some warm water. Once you put the tubes in the water, you're getting rid of all of the excess gloss, anything that's left over on the tubes, and you're giving it that clean, new-like feel. It also is good to sanitize them, just to let your customers know that you do care about the products. So after the wash, you do want to rinse them off. Cool or lukewarm water, it doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. And I just like to mix it around because it feels good in my hands. And I do take a towel and lay them out and dry them off, making sure that everything is completely clear of the tubes. Introducing the glamorous collection is Vanity Glam, Coca, Sparkle Rose, Sapphire, and Chocolate Galore. So these are the finished products. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell to know when I post more content. Thank you guys for watching.